We are going to talk about the area of a sector. So let's first talk about what a sector is. A sector is a section of a circle bounded by a central angle and an intercepted arc.
The longest one I think I know is
What? Say it again.
Go hang a salami in our lasagna pond.
Okay, what does a sector look like?
Pizza.
It looks like a slice of pizza. Okay, so we have the crest is the arc, right? And then the sides are our central angle, right? Where we would cut the slice of pizza. And what we are going to do is we are going to work on what is the area of our slice of pizza. Okay, this will go very similarly to how we did arc length yesterday. Okay, so we know how to find the whole circle area, right? How do we find the whole circle area? Okay, pi times radius squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to take pi times radius squared, and we're going to multiply it by essentially a fraction. What is the degree measure of the arc over 360? Okay, so this is creating a fraction. How much of the circle do we have times pi r squared? Okay, eyes up here. This x over 360, this is a fraction. How much of the circle do we have times pi r squared? Okay, that's all we have to do. All right, so in number one, how long do we have until 128? Okay. In number one, this is like the perfect lesson for today because it's not very long. BC is 16. What does that give us? Does that give us circumference? Does it give us diameter? Does it? Okay, thank you. Our radius is 16. And what is the arc measure? 51. So we're going to take our arc measure over 360 and multiply it by pi r squared. Can you do that in your calculator? So not the square root, 16 squared. Yes. So this is how I would type it in, Nora. I would say 51 times pi times 16 squared divided by 360. That's what I would do. No. Did you divide it by 360?
Oh, yeah.
113.9.
How about you say that number the right way?
113.9.
And since we're talking about area, we're talking about square units. So yes, square feet.
Sector.
Sector. Section of a circle, sector. All right, you and your elbow partner work together on number 3. Yeah. I don't like not having you guys before lunch. It's all for lunch. It's something with lunch. And then up here, these I feel like have to do with balancing out whatever's happening on the 7th grade end and whatever happens with some teachers who teach like both 7th and 8th, whether it be like some special education stuff or there's something weird with the lunching thing. Yeah. Okay. Alex, what did you get for an answer? Do you agree with Alex?
Yes.
To get that, Alex, did you take 84 times pi times 3 squared over 360?
Yep.
Excellent. I think you guys are gonna be okay. Now, let's look at number 5. Number 5, I'm asking for the shaded sector area. What is our central angle?
Why?
I was looking for the measure of it.
380. 338.
I like the 318 better.
There's 363.
Oh, I did 380.
That's a weird number to choose.
180. She said I was 318.
So our central angle is 318. Ooh, and what's our radius? 9. So what do we got? Okay, 225 or 224?
224.3.
That's what I got.
Oh, yeah.
We ran the-
Like, okay. Let's go now to number 11. So you're gonna have to go to the next page there. In number 11, what's true about both of these angles? Yes, yes. So they're both 46 degrees. Now, we can find 2 separate areas of a sector and add them together, or we can imagine them being squished together. What would our angle be? Our angle would be 92. So when we find this area, we could just say our arc degree measure is 92 because we can just put the 2 together. Is 7 giving us our radius? Okay. 39.3 is what Braden said. I'm hearing a yes and a no.
Yeah.
I got 39.3. You said 92 times pi times 49.
It says down to the nearest hundred.
What?
What's the 47 pi?
Oh, what happened
Yeah, I
to
think-
47?
Technically, on here it says each down to the nearest hundred.
I want you to just do tenths.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we just need to do that.
Okay, so your homework is page 9, and I am going to let you get started now. Because
Yeah.
I don't think you need me to do more. Just page 9? Is that not enough?